Hello kids, welcome back to our English class. So today we are meeting after a very long time. So I hope you all are doing very good. So now I will tell you about our textbook. So this is the textbook that we will learn this year. So this year we have 9 units. So each unit has a lesson and a poem. Each unit has a lesson and a poem. हर यूनिट में एक लेसन रहेगा, एक पोएम रहेगा. So today we are going to start our first poem. This is unit 1. In this we will learn Wake Up. This is a poem. And Neha's Alarm Clock. This is a lesson. So we are going to start with the first poem, that is Wake Up. So I have already sent you a video of this poem. I hope you have seen it. मैंने आपको इस poem का एक वीडियो भेजा है. I hope आपने इसको देखा हुआ है. So kids, before starting this poem, we will see the new words. Okay? Before learning this poem, we will see the new words first, and then we will recite this poem once, and then we will learn it. Okay? So let's start. So kids, these are the new words. First word is buzzing. Buzzing means to make the sound that bees etc. make when flying. Buzzing means to make the sound that bees make when flying. Bees means मधुमक्खियाँ जो भिन भिनाती हैं, जो आवाज़ करती हैं, like bzzz. उसको क्या कहते हैं? Buzzing. Next is sleepy head. Sleepy head means a person who feels sleepy. A person who feels sleepy. वो person जो sleepy feel करता है, जिसे नींद आती रहती है, जो नींद में रहता है, जगा हुआ रहता है फिर भी नींद में रहता है, उसे हम कहते हैं sleepy head. Tiniest means very small. Tiniest means very small. सबसे छोटा. Okay children, let's recite this poem. Okay, so this is page number 2. So let's start. Wake up, wake up, it's a lovely day. Please get up, oh please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees and you can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Please get up, oh please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed, so hurry up, you sleepy head. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Please get up, oh please get up and come and play. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep, the tiniest chicken, cheep, cheep, cheep. Wake up, wake up. So kids, this poem is written by C. Fletcher. This poem is written by C. Fletcher. So whenever you are learning any poem, you must always remember who has written it. You must remember the name of the poet. So poet is here is C. Fletcher. C. Fletcher has written this poem. So this poem Wake Up is written by C. Fletcher. C. Fletcher is the poet of this poem. So here the poet is telling the children to do what? To wake up. To do what? To wake up. यहाँ पे पोएट बच्चों को कह रहा है कि वेक अप, उठ जाओ. सो कौन से बच्चों को कह रहा है? जो बच्चे नींद से जल्दी नहीं उठते हैं, सुबह में जल्दी नहीं उठते हैं. ही इज़ टेलिंग दोज चिल्ड्रन हु डू नॉट वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग टू वेक अप. ही इज़ टेलिंग द चिल्ड्रन टू वेक अप. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Now here the poet is saying that wake up, utho, utho. It's a lovely day. Wake up and see how beautiful, how lovely this day is. Look around and see how lovely this day is. पोएट यहाँ पे बच्चों को कह रहा है कि उठो और देखो कि ये दिन कितना प्यारा है, कितना सुंदर है, कितना प्लेजेंट है. Oh, please get up. Now when the children are not listening, he is again saying that, oh, please get up and come and play. He is saying that उठो और देखो कि ये दिन कितना सुंदर है. उठो और बाहर आके खेलो. Come and play. The birds are singing in the trees and you can hear the buzzing bees. So what do these birds do in the morning? They sing. They sit in the trees and they sing. And you can hear the buzzing bees. Bees means मधुमक्खियाँ. So birds कब गाना गाती हैं? Early morning. If you wake up early in the morning, you can hear the birds singing in the trees. Have you ever heard these birds singing? If you wake up early, then you can listen to these birds singing in the trees. Not only Kukduku song, but you can listen to many other birds singing in the trees or around you. And you can hear the buzzing bees. So in the morning, what do these bees do? They collect the nectar from the flowers. They collect nectar from the flowers. And they make what? They make honey. Bees make honey. And the sound they make is buzzing. Bzzz. So this sound you can hear in the morning. So what will happen if you wake up early? You can see the lovely day. You can see the beautiful day. You can see the pleasant day. And you need to do what? You need to wake up and come and play. Play with your friends. The birds are singing in the trees. You can listen to the birds that are singing in the trees. And you can also hear the buzzing bees. Now the second stanza. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. So this is the repetition. So the poet is telling again to wake up and to see the lovely day, beautiful day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed, so hurry up, you sleepyhead. Now the poet is telling the children to not to lie in the bed too late and to hurry up. Hurry up to do what? To come out and play and see the lovely day. So यहाँ पे poet बच्चों को कह रहा है कि उठ जाओ, wake up, और ये प्यारा सा सुंदर सा दिन देखो, बाहर आओ, खेलो, कूदो, और it's much too late to lie in the bed. He is telling that it is not good to lie in the bed too late. So kids, tell me, अगर आप देर तक सोते हो तो क्या होता है? You feel inactive, you feel lazy. अगर आप देर तक सोते हो तो आप कैसे हो जाते हो? लेज़ी हो जाते हो और इनएक्टिव फील करते हो. Look at these two children. Look at these two children. They are feeling very fresh. They are feeling very active. They are feeling very energetic. Look at them, how they are playing, because they are feeling very fresh and active. इन बच्चों में आपको आलस दिख रहा है? नो, इनमें बहुत ही उत्साह है, इनमें बहुत ही अच्छी एनर्जी है, वो बहुत ही अच्छा फ्रेश फील कर रहे हैं बिकॉज दे वोक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. सो अगर आप भी जल्दी उठते हैं तो आप भी क्या करेंगे? ऐसे फ्रेश फील करेंगे. You feel energetic, you feel active. And then you can see the beautiful day. You can see the beautiful day. You can get the fresh air. You can get all the fresh air. You can listen to the birds singing. You can hear the buzzing bees. So the third stanza is, wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep, the tiniest chicken, cheep, 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 wake up. This is the third stanza. So see here, the poet is saying that wash and dress and come out and come on out. यहाँ पे पोएट कह रहा है कि वॉश एंड ड्रेस एंड कम ऑन आउट. सो व्हेन यू वेक अप व्हाट यू नीड टू डू? वॉश एंड ड्रेस. So you have learned this in EVS also. So when you wake up in the morning, the first thing what do? You brush your teeth. So जब मॉर्निंग में आप उठते हैं तो पहली चीज़ क्या करते हैं? You wake up and you brush your teeth. And then you go to toilet and then you take bath. What do you do in the morning? First of all, you brush your teeth. You go to toilet and then you take bath and then you get dressed. So the poet is telling you to, poet कह रहे हैं कि जब आप मॉर्निंग में उठते हैं तो आपको क्या क्या करना चाहिए? पहले तो you need to brush your teeth. आपको अपने दांत साफ़ करने चाहिए. Then you need to go to toilet and then आपको नहाना है. And then you need to get dressed. आपको साफ़ सुथरी अच्छी सी ड्रेस पहननी है. And then you need to come on out. Come on out and come and play. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks and the sheep, the tiniest chicken, cheep, cheep, cheep. So see here, everyone. The poet is referring to people here. Everyone is up and about. Everyone is up. सब लोग जगे हुए हैं और अपने अपने काम कर रहे हैं. Everyone, all the people are up and about. They are doing their routine work. Other children are going to school or playing outside. And elders, some of them are going to work. Some of them are doing their house chores. And not only people, even the animal are up and about. Not only people, even the animals and birds are up and about. सिर्फ लोग ही नहीं बल्कि एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स भी जगे हुए हैं और अपने अपने काम कर रहे हैं. एग्जाम्पल, द काउ, द हॉर्सेस, द डक्स एंड द शीप, द टाइनीस्ट चिकन, चीप चीप चीप. Animals like cow, horses, ducks, sheep are up and about. They all are up and they are doing their work. What is their work? What do they do in the morning? They go for grazing. They go for grazing. Grazing the grass. Animals कहाँ जाते हैं? घास खाने के लिए. घास ग्रेज करने के लिए, घास खाने के लिए. Animals like cows, horses, sheep go for grazing. And ducks and chicken, what do they do? Duck is searching for its food. And what is this chicken doing? It's doing cheep cheep cheep. It's doing cheep cheep cheep. Cheep 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 is the sound that chicken does. Tiniest means very small. Tiniest means बहुत ही छोटा, सबसे छोटा. So now the poet is telling the children to wake up. Again, the poet is telling the children to wake up. And why do they need to wake up? To see the lovely day. So kids, this is all about this poem Wake Up, which is written by C. Fletcher. Who is the poet of this poem? C. Fletcher. C. Fletcher has written this poem and the name of the poem is Wake Up. So what you need to do now, you need to recite this poem. आपको क्या करना है, ये poem को एक बार पढ़ना है. So in our live class we will discuss more about this poem. Okay, that time also you need to recite this. So this is enough for today's class. In next class we will learn more about this poem. We will revise the meaning of new words, and we will also solve the exercise. Okay, so see you in the next class. Till then, study well and take care.